Hi, my name is Jeff Cronenfeld, and I'm the Capital Reports Coordinator for the Arizona Capital Times, and this is another LOLA training video. Today, we're going to be covering tracking lists. First, a quick overview. Tracking lists are a tool that allows organizations to track and follow actions taken on specific bills and sets of bills. Users can create new tracking lists, edit tracking lists, edit the tracking list privacy settings, sort upcoming hearings, manage bill alerts for bills on tracking lists, and generate reports directly from the tracking list page. First, how to access the tracking lists page. There's two ways to access it. One is by clicking My Tracks in this top black bar, which should be visible on any page in LOLA. This will bring you to the My Tracks page. You can also access your My Tracks by scrolling down on the dashboard to the My Tracks tile. From either the My Tracks page or the tile, you can create tracking lists by clicking the Create Tracks button. You can add the name you'd like and the description here. You can also make the list private by clicking this box. You can also control who has access to the list within your LOLA user group by clicking the boxes by their names. Just remember to click the box by your name, otherwise you won't be able to access the tracking list. Please note that only people within your LOLA user group family can see your tracking lists, not other LOLA users from different account groups. To make a tracking list visible to everyone in your LOLA user group, just uncheck the box. You can also turn off alerts for bills here by clicking this box, and you can reactivate them by clicking it again. If the box is checked, then the alerts are muted. Just remember, whenever you create a tracking list or modify an existing tracking list, to click Save when you're done. You can also create tracking lists through the search function. Simply go to your search bar, type in the search criteria you want to look for, click Search. Once your search results generate, you can add all the bills to a tracking list by clicking the box to the left of the bill number column head here. Then you can click Track Selected Bills. Here you'll see a list of all your existing tracks visible to everyone in your LOLA user group family and your private tracks. Simply click the box next to each track's name to add the track to that list. You can add bills to multiple lists. You can also create new tracking lists here. Simply type the name you want to add the tracking list, and then check this box to control the privacy settings. Once again, when you're done, click Save to preserve these changes. To add individual bills to a tracking list, check the box next to the bill number, and then hit Track Selected Bills. And the same pop-up I showed earlier will generate. To remove lists from your tracking lists, you can either go to the My Tracks page or you can go to the My Tracks tile on your dashboard. To remove a tracking list or delete it, simply click this trash can icon here and the list will be deleted. To edit a tracking list, click this pen and paper icon here. When you edit a tracking list, you can also turn off the bill alerts for this particular track here for existing tracking lists by checking this box. To reactivate alerts, simply check the box again. If the box is checked, then you will not receive alerts. If it's unchecked, you will. Then click Save, and you're complete. This completes this LOLA training video. We appreciate your time and hope you have a great day.